Hey, Mario, and I want you to donate to Living Tree Foundation. This is Bowser, and I'm going to defeat him. Ew. Get him, Mario. Yeah. Bowser is just laying there, doing absolutely nothing. What are you going to do? Ooh, he's going to surprise me. I don't see him attacking you. Is he going to sneak up at you? Oh, I think so. Well, I don't know. Bowser. The vicious Bowser. Savannah Monitor. Very young Savannah Monitor. He's going to get 4 times as big. Hallelujah! Can you defeat this Bowser? Oh, I think so. Hello. Nothing. I don't think he's going to do anything, Mario. What do you think? I don't think so.